In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Google Tag Manager. If you're looking to remove Google Tag Manager from your website, you've come to the right place. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that each part is clear and easy to understand. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why Google Tag Manager operates. It functions by inserting a script and an iframe into your website's code. These components are key to its operation, as they help in managing various tracking tags without the need to change the code manually after every modification. However, if you find that it's no longer serving its purpose for your site, you might consider uninstalling it. To uninstall Google Tag Manager, the primary task is to remove the GTM code snippet from your website. This is a crucial step because the snippet is what enables Google Tag Manager to execute its functions on your site. Without it, the manager becomes inactive. Begin by accessing your website's HTML source code. This might require logging into the platform or content management system where your site is hosted. It's important to have the proper permissions to make changes, as this process involves editing primary files. Typically, a website's HTML is presented in sections such as the head and body, which will be critical as we locate the GTM code. Once you're inside your HTML source, the goal is to find the Google Tag Manager code snippet. This snippet is often found in the head section of your website or just before the closing body tag. Carefully scroll through the code and look for lines that mention Google Tag Manager. Now it's time to delete the snippet. The actual code will usually be bracketed with comments indicating the beginning and end of the Google Tag Manager snippet. Select the entire snippet and remove it. Double check to ensure you're deleting only the relevant code. Leaving the rest of your site's code intact and functional is critical to avoid any issues. Having removed the Google Tag Manager code, the next step is to save the changes to your website's HTML. This action will ensure that the snippet is effectively erased, preventing Google Tag Manager from running any further operations on your site. You're all set. Congratulations on successfully uninstalling Google Tag Manager from your website. Be sure to refresh your site and test its functionality to ensure everything is still in order. This process might seem a bit technical, but you've done a great job. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tips.